In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a secret chat from Telegram on your Android device. By the end of this video, you'll know the safest and most effective way to make sure your private conversations stay private and are properly deleted once you're done with them. Alright, let's get started. First things first, grab your Android device and open the Telegram app. Now, as simple as this sounds, I want you to double check that you're in the official Telegram app. Sometimes folks have multiple messaging apps or work profiles, and it's easy to tap the wrong one. Look for that familiar paper plane icon and launch the app. Once you're in Telegram, you'll land on your main chats list. This is where all your conversations, regular and secret alike, are displayed. Take a moment to look through the list and spot your secret chat. Secret chats are usually tagged with a little padlock icon next to the contact's name, which helps you identify them at a glance. Why is this important? Well, you don't want to accidentally delete a regular chat thinking it's a secret one. When you found the specific secret chat you want to remove, here's what you do: tap and hold on that chat. Don't just tap quickly, a gentle press and hold will select the chat, and you'll notice either a checkmark appears or the background color of that chat changes. That's Telegram's way of showing, yep, you've got this one selected. It's a good idea to pause for a second here and make sure you're selecting the correct conversation. Mistakes are rare but can happen, and we want to avoid accidental deletes. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a delete icon, usually shaped like a little trash can. This is a universal symbol across many Android apps, so it should look familiar. Go ahead and tap on that delete icon. At this point, Telegram will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the conversation. This extra step is a safeguard. Just imagine if all your chats disappeared with a single tap. So review the prompt and confirm your decision. A quick side note here, deleting a secret chat is different from deleting regular chats. Secret chats are end-to-end encrypted and designed to stay strictly on the device where they were created. This means if you log out of Telegram or uninstall the app without manually deleting the chat first, that secret chat will simply vanish from that device. So if you want to fully control your data privacy, it's always better to delete the chat directly, as we're doing now, rather than risk leaving a trace behind or relying on app uninstall alone. And that's really all there is to it. Your secret chat is now gone from your device, and you can rest a little easier knowing that your private messages have been properly erased. Maybe you were cleaning up old conversations, maybe you just want to keep your chat list tidy. Whatever your reasons, you've now got the steps down. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Got questions about Telegram secret chats or other privacy features? Drop a comment below and I'll be sure to help out. And for more easy-to-follow guides just like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.